This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marla McFarlane. This is a charming first-floor condo with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, open floor plan, tray ceilings, tile and carpet flooring, convenient walk-out screened lanai with a storage closet. The master ensuite bath has dual sinks and shower, and there is a walk-in closet. Unit comes with washer and dryer and extra storage space in the laundry room. Located in the Isles of Porto Vista gated community, low HOA fees include a community pool, clubhouse and fitness center. The well-maintained landscaped grounds, a lake and plenty of green space, a dog park and tiki cabanas for get-togethers, make this an ideal and relaxing home or a winter retreat in Florida. For more information, review the details below.